छलफल अथवा अन्तर्क्रिया कार्यक्रम गर्न गइरहेका छौँ। नेपाली कामदारहरू अथवा विदेशी कामदारहरू विषय छलफल कार्यक्रम गर्न गइरहेका छौँ, अन्तर्क्रिया कार्यक्रम। उद्धार गर्नको लागि संस्थाकी अध्यक्ष सुश्री लीला कुमारी लिम्बू, उपाध्यक्ष नीतू खतेवडा साथै एमी सार्नेलाई यहाँ उपस्थित भई संस्थाको छलफल गरिदिन हार्दिक अनुरोध गर्दछु।
Thank you very much, everybody, very respectable guests. Then from the hotline, Amy sir, what we are talking in Nepali, of course you did not understand.
Like you in Israel.
Yes. So now Amy sir, she's with us. She's working as a hotline migrant office. She's very kind and she's very helpful, especially the Nepali community with us. She's very close. So now we are organized this program from the Nepali Women Voice. The president of Nepali Women Voice, Lila Limu, is coming. Then she's asking some questions in Hebrew.
One moment before, I want to say something.
Okay.
I want to say that I know that you are a foreigner in Israel, and as I said before, when I sat here and here you are speaking in Nepali, I understand what you are feeling when you are in Israel, and that's why it's so important to me to come to explain.
उहाँले के भन्दै हुनुहुन्छ भनेदेखि तिमीहरू जब म यहाँ थिएँ तिमीहरू नेपाली ल्याङ्ग्वेज बोल्यौ त्यो बेलामा मैले बुझिनँ नेपाली ल्याङ्ग्वेज मलाई कस्तो फिल भयो तर तिमीहरू आफ्नो देश छोडेर आएका छौ र यहाँ तिमीहरू बसेका छौ तिमीहरूलाई ल्याङ्ग्वेज पनि थाहा थिएन यहाँको केही कुरा थाहा थिएन तर तिमीहरू त्यही बावजुद पनि तिमीहरू कति खुसी छौ कति राम्रोसँग काम गरिरहेछौ थ्याङ्क यू भेरी मच
I make the contact with Balabai.
Okay.
He said to me, you have to sign. I signed. I make the contact with that house. After 5 months, I left that apartment because he increased the rent. I paid 3,500 every month, including water and area. He said to me, after 5 months, he said to me, give me 4,000. Then after I left the apartment.
One moment. When you signed the contract, you signed the contract for how long?
I don't know about that. He didn't say nothing about that. Only I make the sign.
You signed. You don't know about what?
I don't know about that.
Okay.
Then after 5 months, he said to me, you must give the 4,000 every month. Then I said, I can't. I will go. He said to me, okay, you can go. I will put another man. I said, okay. I left the apartment. And he brought that there is a black people, Ethiopian people. They came and they said, still there.
Yes. They paid him.
Yes. I paid 3,500 every month. Then after 5 months, I left that apartment. I was not there. After 14 months, when I signed that paper, he gave in the area.
Area.
Yes. Yes. Then after 14 months, he closed my account. I cannot take the money from those. Close.
हाम्रो एउटा केयर गर्न आउनुभएको दाई उहाँ चाहिँ अपार्टमेन्टको समस्या लिएर आउनुभएको रहेछ योभन्दा 3 वर्ष पहिला हैन
3 वर्ष हैन त्यहाँ त एग्रिमेन्ट गरेको मेरो 1 वर्ष 15 महिना 15-16
एउटा अपार्टमेन्टमा 15 महिना 15-16 महिना बस्नु भएको रहेछ त्यो अपार्टमेन्टमा चाहिँ उहाँले एग्रिमेन्ट गर्नुभएको रहेछ एग्रिमेन्ट हिब्रूमा थियो एग्रिमेन्ट गरेर बस्नुभयो त्यसपछि उहाँले ल्यान्डलर्ड के भन्छ बालाबाइले चाहिँ भाडा बढाइदिएछ भाडा बढाएपछि ल म तेरो अपार्टमा बस्दिनँ अपार्टहरू धेरै छन् म छोडेर जान्छु भनेपछि उहाँले छोडेर जानुभएछ जानु भइसकेपछि उहाँको नाममा चाहिँ गएको 14-15 महिना पछाडि फेरि उहाँको नाममा चाहिँ पैसाहरू चढिरहेको रहेछ अपार्टको पैसा र उहाँको त्यो एरियाबाट उहाँको तल बितवाकमा आएको पैसा अहिले कटाइरहेको छ इभन उहाँ त्यो अपार्टमा हुनुहुन्न अपार्ट छोडिसक्नुभयो र यस्ता समस्याहरू हामीमा धेरै आउन सक्छन्। अब यो समस्यालाई एनी सरसँग उहाँले भनिसक्नु भएको छ, यो समस्या कसरी सल्भ गर्न सकिन्छ उहाँले भन्दै हुनुहुन्छ, हामी क्वाइट भएर बस्नु सुनिदिउँ होला। ओके,
First of all, the first problem is that you sign a contract without knowing.
I don't know.
This is
I'm unknown about that. He's writing in the Hebrew. I cannot understand.
Yes, I know, and this is something that I see. This is the first problem.
Yes, problem.
And I assume that this is a problem of many.
उहाँले चाहिँ मैले पहिला पनि भनिसकेको छु, उहाँले चाहिँ साइन गर्दा जब अपार्टमा बस्नुभयो साइन गर्दाखेरि चाहिँ हिब्रूमा लेखिएको थियो, उहाँले नबुझिकन साइन गरिदिनु भयो र हामीहरूलाई उहाँले के भनिदिन्छ एमी सरले चाहिँ कुनै पनि कुरा नबुझिकन साइन नगर्नु होला, इभन हामीलाई थाहा नभएको कुरा। त्यही प्रब्लमले, त्यही साइन गरेको प्रब्लमले उहाँले अहिले नबसेको अपार्टको पनि पैसा तिर्नु परिरहेको छ।
The second problem is that, as you are saying, he continued to take he claimed that you should pay him even after you left the apartment. He wants you to continue to pay him.
After 5 months, when I make the contact, after 5 months I left the apartment.
You told him that you are not.
I don't know, and I said that times.
But you didn't sign with him.
When I left, that times I said with the balabai, give me that contact, I will tear. He said, Altidag. Ani balabai, yes, misupo. Ani balabai, Altidag Masmi. He said to me like that.
But then he went and continued to. He told that you are not paying him, even.
No, I paid everything and I went there.
You went.
Yes, I
and
paid.
He continue. He wants you. He wants you to continue to pay him.
No, he didn't pay. When he put that another man, he's taking the money, but he didn't pay in the area, water and area. That's the
this
thing.
Is the
not
area.
In the rent, only area and mine.
Okay, the area and the mine.
He didn't pay
for the time
that
from
when I was not there that time.
Okay. Okay, so this is two problems. The first problem that you don't understand the contract.
Because I lived.
Yes,
I don't know.
I know, I understand that.
Yes.
I'm thinking what can be done.
Yes.
And the second, that the area, now you have problem with the area.
Area.
Okay, the area,
yes.
The balabait. And
then after I went to the area and I asked, when I was not there, how can I pay? You can ask to the balabait. Balabait will pay area and mine. I am not here for, where is the area? I cannot pay. I didn't pay nothing.
Lorak area just like Gambe mine. Gam Hasmal Game Arna. Bisholos Beres la Bayaksa. Vete. Abla Anaku Salome Kesa Vete Colbe Beahat. Abla Usana Tishe Vete. Abla Ulimani Sema Colbe. Abla Hakakabe Abrasa Hodes. Egiala Colbe de Bisbilak Shemshila Vete.
Okay, so there's three problems. The first problem that the contract is in Hebrew. I will consult someone to see what can be done. Because the hotline, I will consult what to do because the hotline is not specialized in these cases, but I will consult with someone, maybe in the area, or maybe in the Ministry of what can be done.
Okay.
I will consult what can be done to translate, to force the balabai to give a contract in two languages so someone can read.
Okay. उहाँको समस्या चाहिँ अब हटलाइनले एकदम पार्टिकुलर हेर्दैन तर पनि एमी सरले भन्दै हुनुहुन्छ उहाँले एकदम उहाँलाई हेल्प गर्न जता हेल्प गर्ने कोसिस गर्नुहुन्छ र उहाँको त्यो हिब्रूको ट्रान्सलेसन हिब्रूमा भएको ट्रान्सलेसन चाहिँ उहाँले एउटा मेसेज दिनुहुन्छ अरूलाई पनि सहयोग गर्न सकिन्छ त्यो मेसेजले हिब्रूमा कुनै तपाईले साइन गर्दाखेरि नि हिब्रूमा मात्रै नबुझेको कुरा हिब्रूमा मात्रै ल्यान्डलordलाई फोर्स गर्न एउटा बाइकलाई फोर्स गर्नुहुन्छ उहाँले त्यो काम चाहिँ उहाँले गर्नुहुन्छ स्पेशली व्यक्तिबाट हटलाइनबाट हैन साइन गर्दा हिब्रू र इंग्लिश दुवैमा साइन गराउन ल्यान्डलordलाई फोर्स गर्नुहुन्छ
Second, when you are don't believe anyone that is saying you.
That's the problem.
Yes,
that's the problem.
It's not.
I believe to him. That's why he thinks like that.
Second time, everyone, when you are stop to leave an apartment or leave a telephone, a cellular phone or someone, please ask to get a paper that you finished
I
the
asked that
contract
time.
with but you asked, but you
He didn't leave. He didn't give
but
nothing.
tell him, please bring me now.
Now he cannot pick up my telephone.
No, now. Now
Before.
it's too late.
Yes.
Before.
Before I said-
Don't believe, and if you must, then I'm thinking, because there is a organization
Yes.
that is dealing with these cases, but I want to speak with them and to find if they will help.
Yes. T1 is the Balabai.
No, not a Balabai. There is an organization, like Human Rights,
Yes,
not
yes.
not a human hotline for migrant workers, another organization that is dealing with people with rents, because even Israeli have problem with Balabai. I will check with them and tell you in 1-2 days.
ओके उहाँको समस्या चाहिँ उसले एउटा अर्गनाइजेसन छ इजरायलमै, त्यो अर्गनाइजेसनमा चाहिँ धेरै समस्याहरू उहाँका जस्तै इजरायलीकै पनि गएका छन् रे। उहाँले यो समस्या लिएर कसरी सल्भ गर्ने फाइन्ड आउट गर्नुहुन्छ र तपाईलाई सक्दो सहयोग गर्नुहुन्छ उहाँले। धन्यवाद हजुरको पार्टिसिपेसन।
And with that money, with the area and all this, if you can write a letter,
Yes.
and you will write it in Nepali, I assume, and then someone will translate it, then I will try to bring it to someone to help.
यदि यस्तो समस्या छ भनेदेखि सबै कुराहरू चाहिँ इङ्ग्लिसमा नेपालीमा लेख्ने, नेपालीमा लेखेपछि इङ्ग्लिसमा ट्रान्सलेट गरेर उहाँलाई चाहिँ पुर्याउने हामीले कोसिस गरौँ।
14 months. They are second. 14 months.
You will bring a copy of the contract, and you will write a letter from when you finish to be into that. And I will try to speak with someone in the area or with someone in the other organization.
Okay.
אמי, ועכשיו יש לה בעיה, אבל עכשיו בקבלה עובד, ותעשה לה סידורים, והוא הלכה לה בקבלה עובד, ועכשיו קבלה עובד נתן לה ברוקדים, עכשיו בעירייה שלוש...
בשביל העירייה?
בשביל העירייה, ובשביל גם בחשמל, ועכשיו אני אמרתי לפני בהוא, אבל עכשיו אולי תעזור לה, וגם אני שואלת עכשיו בגלל זה, אבל הרבה אנשים קרא לה את זה, לא רק הוא, ויש לה 5-6 קרא לה ככה.
So, okay, the people must check if there is an open account in the area, they must insist that the Balabait will give them a letter, and if he's not giving the letter, so go and find someone to help you, to force the Balabait. Even maybe it will be, if Kavla Oved is helping, it's wonderful. If not, there is this organization, it's called Yadid. Yadid is friend. Yadid, the translation of Yadid is friend.
Okay.
Then maybe they will help. And if not, sometimes it's better to take a lawyer to pay him some $100 so he will write the letter to the Balabai.
यस्तो उहाँको जस्तो समस्या आएको खण्डमा हामीहरूले चाहिँ पहिला रेन्ट लिनुभन्दा पहिला चाहिँ त्यो कन्ट्र्याक्ट हुन्छ बालाबाइसँग गर्ने, त्यो बालाबाइको कन्ट्र्याक्ट हिब्रूमा छ भने मलाई इङ्ग्लिसमा दे भन्ने, इङ्ग्लिसमा दिन मानेन, अब केही भएन भनेदेखि अब 100 सेकेन्ड 200 सेकेन्डमा लोयर लिएर भए पनि त्यो हामीले बुझेर मात्रै साइन गरौँ र रेन्टमा बस्ने गरौँ। यस्ता समस्याहरू फेरि पनि नजोडियो।
Dos poderes ונגמר האיסור והוא נכנס לכלא. מוהלה והוא הולך בחוץ עוד פעם משלם לכסף בעובדים, עבר פוליסיינה, משלם לכסף, אחר כך הוא כמה הוצאו את הכלב, אבל הוא מקבלים עוד פעם בעבודה ומטפלת, עוד פעם מותר לזה או לא?
שתי שאלות. אחד, אם אחרי 4 שנים ו3 חודשים אפשר לעבור, ושתיים, אם לוקחים עורך דין בכלא. קודם כל, בואי נלך הפוך. קודם כל, מי שנמצא
पहिला सोधेको
בכלא,
क्वेसन यहाँ भन्नु
אם מישהו נמצא תשאלי את השאלות שאנשים אחרים מתעלמים. Explain it.
यहाँ चाहिँ कस्तो क्वेसन आइरहेको छ लीलाजीले सोध्दै हुनुहुन्छ हामी लिगल्ली बस्नको लागि 4 वर्ष 3 महिना हो 51 महिना हो 51 महिना कटिसकेपछि कति नेपालीहरूलाई चाहिँ अब पुलिसले भेटेर जेलमा लगेको हुन्छ जेलमा बस्दा पनि हामी कुनै पनि त्यहाँ वकिलहरू भेट्न जान्छ वकिलले चाहिँ कुनै वकिलले चाहिँ त बाहिर निस्किन सक्छस् तैँले पैसा तिर्नुपर्छ यति भनेर कतिजनाले चाहिँ तिरिरहनु भएको छ त्यसरी बाहिर निस्किन सक्छ कि सक्दैन भनेर उहाँले क्वेसन गर्नुभएको छ एमीले एन्सर दिँदैछ
If someone is in the prison and he wants a lawyer, the important thing is not to find a lawyer that you don't know anything about. There are some lawyers that we can recommend, or lawyers that help your friends, and then don't take someone that you don't know, because this person can be cheated you. If the lawyer is honest, he will not take a case that cannot be, if he cannot pay.
ओके उहाँले भन्दै हुनुहुन्छ त्यसरी जेलमा बसेर कसैले कुनै पनि वकिल आएर सोध्छ र म तँलाई बाहिर निकाल्छु यति पैसा तिर्छ भन्छ भनेदेखि एकदमै अब्सोल्युटली उहाँ त्यो काम हुँदैन कसैले पनि तिर्नतिर नलाग्ने र त्यसरी बाहिर निस्किन मन छ भनेदेखि हामी कोही पनि सोसियल वर्कर कसैलाई चिन्छौँ भनेदेखि हामीलाई जानकारी भएको खण्डमा हटलाइनलाई हामीले खबर गर्छौँ हटलाइनबाट वकिल दिन सक्छ
And the important, if someone is in prison and he wants a help, of course, he can always ask me, and I will see if there is a case that the hotline can help. And if not, I will advise him if to take a lawyer. And if he wants a lawyer, and he wants my advice, I will give him some names.
ओके फेरि पनि उहाँले भन्दै हुनुहुन्छ त्यस्तो समस्या आएको खण्डमा भित्रबाट कसैले बाहिर निस्किन सक्छ चाहन्छ या केही क्वेसनहरू वकिलबाट लिनु छ भनेदेखि मलाई त्यो क्वेसन मलाई मसँग समस्या आयो भने मैले ट्राई टु फाइन्ड आउट मैले चाहिँ फाइन्ड आउट गर्न सक्छु मैले केही सजेस्ट गर्न सक्छु भन्दै हुनुहुन्छ एमी सरले
And so this is about the prison. Now I want to explain about the fifth can be done when someone finishes the job after 51 months. There are some possibilities to stay in Israel.
कसैले चाहिँ 51 महिना बितिसकेपछि पनि इम्प्लोयर छैन भनेदेखि कुनै आधारहरू छन् यहाँ इजरायलमा बस्नको लागि
First, there is what we call humanitarian cases.
This is
for example, people Israeli with very serious problems, like Alzheimer, like someone that is crippled and cannot and must have help all day long, and in such cases there is a possibility for 100 visas every year.
ओके त्यस्तो समस्या 51 महिना पछाडि पनि बस्ने भनेको इम्प्लोयर चाहिँ भेरी सिरियस त्यो त्यस अल्जाइमर उसलाई चाहिँ त्यो कामै उसलाई एकदमै इम्पोर्टेन्ट इम्प्लोय मेटाफोलिस केयर गिभरको एकदम इम्पोर्टेन्ट खाँचो छ अनि त्यस्तो हुँदाखेरि त्यस्ता भिसाहरू चाहिँ 100 वटा भिसा हटलाइनबाट गएको छ त्यो भिसा मध्येमा हामीले पाउन सक्छौँ त्यस्तो इम्प्लोयर भएको खण्डमा
In such cases, the people that are more than 51 months can ask to get these jobs.
ओके कुनै पनि साथीहरू 51 महिनाभन्दा पछि इलिगल हुनुभएको छ भनेदेखि यो अपर्च्युनिटी छ 100 वटा कोटा चाहिँ हटलाइनबाट गएको छ विदेशीहरूको लागि बस्नको लागि तर त्यसको लागि हामीले इम्प्लोयर त्यस्तै खालको सिरियस इम्प्लोयर खोज्नुपर्छ हामी लिगली भन्छौँ लाइक मी
Yes, but there are three things things that must be before. There is the employer has this special visa.
ओके त्योभन्दा पहिला तपाईँहरू काम 51 महिना पछाडि काममा जाँदै हुनुहुन्छ नयाँ काममा भने तपाईँहरूले जानकारी लिनुपर्छ कि उसले यस्तो स्पेसल भिसामा लिन सक्छ कि सक्दैन.
And the worker worked all the time, all these 51 months for the same employer.
ओके 51 महिनासम्म एउटै इम्प्लोयरसँग थियो कि थिएन तपाईँ.
And then, if you will get the visa, it will be only for one employer. He cannot, after this employer, I don't know, he dies, he cannot.
ओके यदि तपाईँलाई पेपर भिसा यसरी स्पेसल भिसा आएको छ भने त्यो भिसा नै तपाईँको इन्ड हुन्छ. फेरि पनि अर्को भिसा तपाईँले लगाउन सम्भावना एकदमै थोरै छ. त्यो चाहिँ तपाईँलाई 100 कोटाभित्र पर्दैन.
Another possibility is to be a replacement for someone that went home for a vacation.
ओके हामीहरू नेपालमा जाँदा आफ्नो भ्याकेसनमा जाँदा रिप्लेसमेन्ट राखेर जानुपर्छ.
For example, you will go for inter-visa and you need a replacement. Then someone that is more than 51 months and less than 63 months can replace for you for a period that will be more than 21 and less than 90 days. There is if you are going for a vacation, so you need a replacement.
Yes.
So the replacement can be someone that is over 51 months.
Okay.
And is looking for a job to finish his 63 months.
Yes.
Then he must go to a manpower agency.
Yes.
And sign, register.
Yes.
And then you will find him and he will replace you.
Yes.
If the Ministry of Interior will check and will.
ओके यदि त्यस्तो भिसामा तपाईँ नेपाल जान चाहनुहुन्छ भनेदेखि 51 महिना कटिसकेको 61 महिना कटिसकेको कोही पनि साथी हुनुहुन्छ भनेदेखि त्यो रिप्लेसमेन्ट गर्न सक्नुहुन्छ. स्पेसली मिनिस्टर अफ इन्टिरियरमा गएर चाहिँ अफिसमा एजेन्सीमा गएर थाहा दिनुपर्ने हुन्छ. त्यो लिगलाइज भएर बस्नु होला.
And I don't know for how many people they will give this opportunity.
Okay.
It's something that is not. It's a new thing, so I don't know. But it's very important to know that this opportunity is an option.
यो चाहिँ यो भर्खरै आएको न्यू ल नै भन्नुपर्ला. यो पनि मैले फर्स्टचोटि नै सुन्दैछु र यसले कतिजनालाई दिँदैछ अपर्च्युनिटी यो पनि हटलाइनलाई एनी सरलाई एक्ज्याक्टली थाहा छैन. तर दिस इज यो चाहिँ हाम्रो राम्रो अपर्च्युनिटी हो.
The three options that I know is not from the procedure, but I know that if there is a worker caregiver with, for example, the mother and she died, and the father needs also a caregiver, then in some cases they are letting the person stay.
ओके तपाईँ एउटै घरमा काम गर्दै हुनुहुन्छ. तपाईँ चाहिँ हजुरआमालाई हेर्दै हुनुहुन्छ. हजुरबा पनि हुनुहुन्छ भने हजुरआमा बित्नु भयो भने तपाईँको भिसा चाहिँ हजुरबासँग इजिली सर्न सक्छ यदि इम्प्लोयरले चाहेको खण्डमा.
They give birth here, so there is more problem also. Now one of my friends, she asked me that she told me she is 8 years here, but then now she have child 4 years, but her boyfriend he ran away. We don't know anything. And
the boy is here with her?
No, we don't know where he is.
No.
But she have a baby 4 years now,
Okay.
and she told me that she meet some lawyer, and he told her that after 6 years, because of your child, that you get the citizenship of in Israel, and she is paying for that now for the lawyer.
בעבר פעמיים הממשלה של ישראל נתנה מעמד לילדים של עובדים זרים שנולדו בארץ. מאוד ייתכן, times citizenship for children that were born here and their families. Citizenship for children that were born here.
Even
To foreigner,
Yes.
for twice.
Okay. Last time पहिला दुईपटक इजरायलबाट जो पनि फरेनर बच्चाहरू इजरायलमा जन्मिन्थ्यो तिनीहरूको लागि सिटिजनसिप प्रोभाइड हुन्थ्यो धेरै पहिला.
The permit was for certain time. So it, for example, in 2010, exactly 3 years ago, they gave for 3 months permit for children with parents, foreigner parent worker with children that were born here to ask for citizenship.
ओके 2010मा 3 वर्ष पहिला चाहिँ यहाँ जन्मेका बच्चाहरूलाई चाहिँ यहाँको 3 महिनाको लागि सिटिजनसिप दिएको थियो यहाँ बस्न अरू पाउनको लागि. यो चाहिँ नियम 2010 देखि लागू भएको छ.
So maybe some years from now we will ask and they will give again citizenship. But maybe it's not something that it's not something forever. When they gave it, they didn't give it for everyone that will be 6 years, but only now. This is this date. Now you are 6, you will get the citizenship. You are 4, you will not get. Maybe if there will be a public force of the government, maybe 2 years or 3 years from now they will give it.
Okay.
But maybe not.
Okay.
So to pay for the lawyer from now for something that maybe it's a waste of money.
Okay. उहाँले भन्दै हुनुहुन्छ अब यो 2010 देखि लागेको नियम हो 3 महिनाको लागि चाहिँ बच्चाको भिसा दिएको छ गभर्नमेन्टले र यो हुन पनि सक्छ भोलि फ्युचरमा मेबी चाहिँ लिगल्ली यहाँको यहाँ जन्मेका बच्चाहरूलाई चाहिँ यहाँको पर्मिट यहाँको सिटिजनसिप दिन सक्छ हुन सक्छ सम्भावना.
जस्तो देश भए पनि जस्तो स्कुल पनि म लड्छु तर यो बच्चालाई सिटिजनसिप धेरै छोड्छु भनेर एकदमै कोसिस गरेको छ.
The case what that baby employer, she's working with that lady, promise that okay this baby I will whatever with lawyer I will take lawyer then the baby will get citizenship of Israel. That I will provide. She promised that, he promised that.
I hope, first of all, if she wants, she can speak with me.
Okay.
And there is a special, another organization that is specialized in these cases of the children. And maybe the best thing that I will arrange them a meeting.
Okay, Munaji,
and the second time, I wish that she will succeed.
ओके हजुरको साथीले चाहिँ डाइरेक्ट एमी सरसँग क्वेसन गर्न सक्नुहुन्छ र यो हुन पनि सक्छ इम्प्लोयरले चाहेको भनेदेखि उहाँले डाइरेक्ट क्वेसन उहाँसँग इम्प्लोयरले पनि उहाँसँग कुरा गर्न सक्छ.
जस्तो हटलाइनको मार्फतबाट केही सजेसन पाउन सकिन्छ कि उहाँहरूको त होइन होला त्यो प्रोफेसनल होइन त्यही पनि
I want to explain the point.
Emilio dejan a Nassim y cada que se ve al ver a Nassim y aksa po habla imita pele gam y aksa ben imales isur habla anak no ratimone efo y adain ulai adain po y habla anak no ratino y mitatam ulekat be Israel ulekat o besle ares anak no onsim le yodin ehna anak no yodin ze
difficult question, and this is something that it's like a criminal case because she took money, and she refuses to bring it back. But this is, I think that you must go to court and ask to give her an order not to leave the country. But this you must have a lawyer and a criminal lawyer. And we are not dealing with criminal cases. I can help you to find someone, but we are not dealing with criminal cases.
If we don't have proof, then
any written documents.
Yes.
This is problem. What they are saying, this problem is big problem for us Nepalese because they give loans. They believe.
Okay, so
maybe so we have cases in the embassy. A lot
There are
of
so many cases of various government in Nepal. They come to embassy to complain about this.
About someone?
About cheating of financial transactions. Yes, about cheating. The Nepalese, I'm sitting Nepalese, and what is the solution if they don't have proof any written documents? How can they find
First of all, people must sign a contract. Yes, if they are giving someone the money, maybe with witness from the community or something like this. I don't think that you will do it because it will be a lot of work for you. But maybe there is maybe you can help them with the contract that will be legally will be valid in Nepal. So they will know that if they are returning to Nepal, the law in Nepal will can be against them. This is something that I think maybe a contract and the community, two leaders or someone that they trust can be their witness. And for one and another, if someone is not giving back the money, someone must go to court
here in Israel.
In Israel and ask, yes, everyone can go to cases. There's a special course until I think 15,000 shekel, and the person can go by himself. They write the letter.
Can you tell me if the person who is abused is not in contact of anybody?
If the person is vanished,
he has taken money, he's escaped, he's not in contact of anybody, embassy or no any person, what to do in that case?
maybe I don't
We
know.
can stop
This is
him.
like when one Israeli is cheating the other. If someone is taking money for, no, I know. There are people that took money from many people and went out of the country. It's all over the world.
And they don't have proof also, any proof.
But if there is someone that you know, the person that he took the money, the victim can go to court, but to take a lawyer and ask for an order. There is a special order not to go out of the country.
Okay, we can do. यो चाहिँ समस्या म नेपालीमा एकचोटि एक्सप्लेन गर्छु एमबीसीबाट हाम्रो
We can try to find the
पर्सनल सेक्रेटरी रोशना म्यामले सोध्नुभयो एमएसीमा यस्ता धेरै केसहरू आएका छन् पैसा आएको हाम्रो नेपालीले पैसा दिने अनि पैसा विश्वास गरेर हामीले धेरै डलरहरू 18,000 22,000 27 लाखसम्म डुबाएको साथीहरू छौँ यो सबै केस एमएसीमा जान्छ त्यही भएर उहाँ एकदमै 45,000 डलर एउटैको पनि खाइरहेको साथीहरू हुनुहुन्छ त्यो धेरै समस्या एमएसीमा आएको कारणले उहाँ एग्रेसिभ भएर उहाँले क्वेसन गर्नुभयो हटलाइनको एमी सरसँग र एमी सरले के भन्नुहुन्छ हामीसँग प्रुफ छैन भनेदेखि हामीले केही त गर्न सक्दैनौँ इभन इजरायलमा पनि इजरायलको पैसा खाएका त्यस्ता केसहरू छन् र तर पनि हामीसँग एउटा कोर्ट छ एउटा लोयर छ त्यो लोयरलाई हामीले स्पेसली लिन सकिन्छ यो देशदेखि बाहिर जानको लागि रोक्न सकिन्छ जुन अपराधी छ त्यो अपराधीको कुनै पनि अपराधी जुन पैसा खान्छ त्यो पैसा खाने मान्छे भनेको क्रिमिनल केस हो एउटा क्रिमिनल केस भनेको ज्यान मारा जस्तो केस पनि हो यो केस त्यसकारणले त्यो केसको लागि हामी लोयर लियौँ भनेदेखि हामीले हदसम्म त्यो मान्छेलाई चाहिँ देश यो आउट अफ कन्ट्री इजरायलबाट अरू देशमा जान रोक्न सक्छौँ। यो हाम्रो खुसीको कुरा हो। हामीले चाहिँ पैसा खाने मान्छेहरूलाई देशबाट बाहिर जान उम्कन दिँदैनौँ र देशबाट इजरायलबाट बाहिर जाँदैन भनेदेखि भोलि त अवश्य भोलि त्यो मान्छे जेलमा पर्न सक्छ। कतिन्जेल लुक्छ र त्यस कारण जति पनि नेपालीको पैसा खाएको छ एकदम एमएसीमा चाहिँ सम्पर्क गर्नु होला। एमएसीबाट अनि कोर्टमा जान्छ।
Is not in contact of anybody. He has taken money. He's escaped. He's not in contact of anybody, embassy or no any person. What to do in that case?
Maybe I don't
We
know.
can stop
This
him.
is like when one Israeli is cheating the other. Someone is taking money. No, I know. There are people that took money from many people and went out of the country. It's all over the world.
And they don't have proof also, any proof.
But if there is someone that you know, the person that he took the money, the victim can go to court, but to take a lawyer and ask for an order. There is a special order not to go out of the country.
We can do. यो चाहिँ समस्या म नेपालीमा एकचोटि एक्सप्लेन गर्छु। एमबीसीबाट हाम्रो
We can try to find the
पर्सनल सेक्रेटरी रोशना म्यामले सोध्नुभयो एमएसीमा यस्ता धेरै केसहरू आएका छन् पैसा खाएको। हाम्रो नेपालीले पैसा दिने अनि पैसा विश्वास गरेर हामीले धेरै डलरहरू 18,000 22,000 27 लाखसम्म डुबाएको साथीहरू छौँ। यो सबै केस एमएसीमा जान्छ। त्यही भएर उहाँ एकदमै 45,000 डलर एउटैको पनि खाइरहेको साथीहरू हुन्छ। त्यो धेरै समस्या एमएसीमा आएको कारणले उहाँ एग्रेसिभ भएर उहाँले क्वेसन गर्नुभयो हटलाइनको एमिसारसँग र एमिसारले के भन्नुहुन्छ हामीसँग प्रुफ छैन भनेदेखि हामीले केही त गर्न सक्दैनौँ। इभन इजरायलमा पनि इजरायलको पैसा खाएका त्यस्ता केसहरू छन् र तर पनि हामीसँग एउटा कोर्ट छ, एउटा लोयर छ। त्यो लोयरलाई हामीले स्पेसल्ली लिन सकिन्छ। यो देशदेखि बाहिर जानको लागि रोक्न सकिन्छ। जुन अपराधी छ त्यो अपराधीको कुनै पनि अपराधी जुन पैसा खान्छ त्यो पैसा खाने मान्छे भनेको क्रिमिनल केस हो। एउटा क्रिमिनल केस भनेको ज्यान मारा जस्तो केस पनि हो यो केस। त्यस कारणले त्यो केसको लागि हामी लोयर लियौँ भनेदेखि हामीले हदसम्म त्यो मान्छेलाई चाहिँ देश यो आउट अफ कन्ट्री इजरायलबाट अरू देशमा जान रोक्न सक्छौँ। यो हाम्रो खुसीको कुरा हो। हामीले चाहिँ पैसा खाने मान्छेहरूलाई देशबाट बाहिर जान उम्कन दिँदैनौँ र देशबाट इजरायलबाट बाहिर जाँदैन भनेदेखि भोलि त अवश्य भोलि त्यो मान्छे जेलमा पर्न सक्छ। कतिन्जेल लुक्छ र त्यस कारण जति पनि नेपालीको पैसा खाएको छ एकदम एमएसीमा चाहिँ सम्पर्क गर्नु होला। एमएसीबाट अनि कोर्टमा जान्छ।
I musale uletet be ottan be kolare tucet be bakus o yeshala be Nepal.
Okay. If someone is after 51 months and he finishes his visa, he finishes visa and he's 51 months or 53 or never mind, and he's without a visa. And he will be in the prison. And then it depends why he wants to stay in Israel. If he wants to stay and to work illegally, the judge will not let him. But if, for example, he has a case with the employer in Kadove, or he's waiting for money, for compensation, or he has he's sick and he needs to go to hospital, or a boyfriend, they don't know that he's sick or something, then maybe the judge in the prison will let him to stay. Usually when someone is finished his 51 months, he can stay in Israel for more 2 months to arrange his to register a business with an employer or whatever, and then he will go. Only in special cases he will stay there. But sometimes to pay to a lawyer, I don't know, 10,000 shekels and to stay for 1 month, I don't think that it's
51 महिना पुगिसकेपछि जेलमा कोही जान्छ र जेलबाट चाहिँ इम्प्लोयर लगाएर निकाल्न कोसिस गर्छ भनेदेखि त्यो सम्भावना एकदमै कम छ तर पनि उसको काबुलावेदमा उसको मुद्दा छ कम्पेन्सेसन आफ्नो पैसाहरू दिन बाँकी छ इम्प्लोयरसँग भने ऊ बाहिर निस्किन सक्छ तर थोरै महिनाको लागि उसको त्यो सबै कुराहरू मिलाउनको लागि र इम्प्लोयरले राम्रो इम्प्लोयरले उसलाई सहयोग गर्यो भने बाहिर निस्किन सक्छ.
But I'm telling you again, if someone is in the prison, please ask me or one of our volunteers, and we have every week someone that is in the prison, and usually she can meet with everyone that wants her our help. And she will tell the people.
Okay.
If there is a reason to take a look.
उहाँले भन्नुहुन्छ कोही हाम्रो प्रिजनमा छ भनेदेखि जेलमा छ भनेदेखि उहाँ हटलाइनलाई जानकारी दिनु पर्यो र यदि हटलाइनसम्ममा त्यो हटलाइनमा यो मेसेज गयो भनेदेखि हटलाइनका भोलिन्टियरहरू हप्तैपछि त्यहाँ जेलमा भेट्न गइरहेको हुन्छ उहाँ हामीले दिएको साथीहरूलाई पनि उहाँले भेट्नुहुन्छ र केही हदसम्म सहयोग हुनसक्छ. यसै क्रममा अहिले हाम्रो एकजना साथी आउनुभएको छ उहाँले प्रत्यक्ष क्वेसन राख्न चाहनुहुन्छ. You can come. One of our friend, he wants to talk with you. Yes, question.
I'm Mr. Anka. Okay, I will be speaking English. And my girlfriend, she worked here in Israel almost 8.5 years.
8.5?
Yeah.
Okay.
And the last met her, our employer is died. Last employer is died. And she was working in this house 5.5 years.
Okay.
And when she died,
She's working 8.5
half years.
and the last 5.5 years she
Yeah.
she worked with the same employer.
Yeah, last employer.
Okay.
And then when she died, the employer died, and she there more 12 days.
It was?
No, when they finished some work, when she died, she need to be there 1 week, yeah?
Did you understand what you mean?
After she died,
Yeah,
she stayed there for 1 week.
1
Yeah.
week, yeah.
Until 12 May, she there, and she left from the house, but she didn't get the picture from the employer, and she was waiting for the picture. And May 26, she went in another job. And
She went to another job.
Yeah, for the special the paper visa, for the paper visa.
That's 100, what you said.
No,
100.
but the hardware is only for people that are if they have all. I'm not sure that this is it, but maybe if she succeeded, it's wonderful.
And also she got the paper from the Ministry of Jerusalem.
Ah, okay.
And when she worked there 2 weeks, but there is no security to live and work in this house. And that's why she also left this job and she wants to go Nepal back.
Okay.
And she took the ticket to go to the Nepal. And until that, she didn't get any picture from the employer. And she was waiting to the picture. She had the ticket. Also, she had the visa in her passport in this October, until October. But for September 24, she has ticket to go Nepal. And when she left the job, this 1 month job, she was at my home. Maybe last time we talked
with you.
Yeah, I talked with
Did
you.
you remember any? We talked with him and then I talked with this problem I already told.
But
She
is
was-
she in the prison?
Yeah,
Now, so this is already back in Nepal.
And she didn't get yet a P2E.
yeah, when she was in
I
the
think that the best thing is to go to Kabul.
yeah, and
And-
she was worked there 5.5 years.
Okay, no,
That's
they
why,
must
that's
be.
why they always, anytime they cheating to her, they told to her next week, come here, we will pay you.
I think that the best thing is to go to Kabul.
Yeah, but it's
I
from
don't know.
yeah.
To go to Kavlove.
Yeah.
And then, as I see, she can go to the Israeli embassy in Nepal and to sign a power of attorney to a lawyer of Kavlove. After you will speak with them. And then the lawyer will continue to follow her case and to get the money from her. They shouldn't let her go out, but because when someone is asking, this is very important, when someone is asking for the pituin and it's stretching, they are telling you tomorrow, מחר, בשבוע הבא, then the people must go to Krakow then. Then they are experts in such cases, and they will, when she will sign a power of attorney, if she will be in the jail, then Kavlove will send a request or ask us to send the request to the judge, and they will let her out. Or if she wants to go back, because then the government is paying for a ticket, maybe it's better, I don't know. Then Kavlove will follow the case.
यो चाहिँ यो एकदम हामीहरूको लागि एकदमै केयर गिभरको लागि इम्पोर्टेन्ट कुरा हो। हामी काम गर्छौँ 4 वर्ष 5 वर्ष 6 वर्ष एउटै घरमा र त्यहाँबाट हाम्रो इम्प्लोयर मर्छ, त्यसपछि हामी छोडेर जान्छौँ अनि हामी पिचुइमहरू माग्छौँ। पिचुइम माग्दा ओके मखार भोलि दिन्छु अर्को हप्ता दिन्छु भनेर हामीलाई झुलाइरहेको हुन्छ। हामी इलिगल भइसकेका हुन्छौँ। हामीले बुझ्नुपर्छ कि उसले दिँदैन अब भनेर हामी तत्काल काभ्लाभिरमा गएर पेपरहरू हामीले कम्प्लेन गर्नुपर्छ र यदि त्यति हुँदा पनि हामी जेलबाट नेपाल फर्क्यौँ भनेदेखि पनि नेपालबाट पनि नेपालमा इजरायली एम्बेसी छ, त्यहाँ गएर हामीले पावर अफ अथोराइज चाहिँ उहाँबाट बनाएर यहाँ पठायौँ भने त्यो पैसा टिचिङ हामीले लोयर लगाएर पनि उठाउन सक्छौँ। यो कुरा मलाई जानकारी थिएन। आज यो जुन यो उहाँबाट एउटा उहाँको समस्या, उहाँको गर्लफ्रेन्ड हुनुहुन्थ्यो, उहाँले पिचिङ 5 वर्ष काम गरेको घरमा पिचिङ नबिक्ने जेलबाटै उहाँले नेपाल जानुभयो। कति खुसी त्यो पिचिङ पाउनको लागि मात्र 1 हप्ताको लागि निकाल्न पनि हामी सकेनौँ। अब उहाँले यो मेसेज चाहिँ उहाँको गर्लफ्रेन्डलाई दिनुहुन्छ र हामीले उहाँको लागि फाइट गर्छौँ। अझै छ
in Kavlave, and some lawyers he told me from Kavlave, you need to case before 60 days when she last employer died. But the employer, she believed to her employer and she was waiting, and when the 60 days crossed, and last week I talked with the employer's son and I make the record, but he don't know I make the record. He wants anytime, he don't want to pay, he wants his brother, he need to pay to her because she was working with her mother with his house. He was in the house. And now, today, also, my sister, she called to her because last week he told after 1 week, 10 days, I will give to her every morning. And also she had the clothes, something goes in her house, but the immigration police, they suddenly catch to her, only she was left 5 days without work. So she wants to go in Nepal when she will get the picture, but immigration, they send to her back by force.
By force.
So I went in the embassy, our embassy, I speak with the ambassador, I speak with the Russian madam, I speak with the audit, and also data station, everyone. I speak with you. But and the audit, he called in the immigration police, in the labor interior office also, and they answer to him because I want to take her out of the jail and deposit 1 week, 2 weeks, and I want to send to her back. But in the last, they don't allow to go her back out, and they send to her by force, and until now she didn't get picture from the employer. And today when I called, he told after 2 months I will pay, now I don't want to pay. So what we can do?
They can force him. I think that first, don't speak with Kavlove in the phone, because sometimes the one that is answering the phone, it's like in my office, that's why I'm telling you to call me. Sometimes the one that is answering the phone, and the phone is not expert. You must, for example, speak with the deed.
Okay.
And if they cannot help, I will try to speak with another lawyer. Okay? They will help.
But you have a question. If the immigration police, they will they can force
no. This is something. First of all, the immigration usually they are asking person to sign, but according to the law, if someone breaks the law, they can send him without his permission. It's no need to wait for someone to be. They are polite. They are asking. It's facilitate their action. If someone is willing to go, because if someone doesn't want to go, then he can start to beat the policeman, and then it starts to be a balagan. But to look exactly what happened, I must see papers, to see the date and to see, and I think that Edith will do it because it's a working law, so she will know, she will do it better than me.
Okay.
Speak with Edith, find exactly if they, I think that they could send her because she was after her period and she didn't went to Cabo Verde in time, yes. She should go to Cabo Verde before. Yes. But now I think that Cabo Verde, as I know, they can ask her to sign a power of attorney from Nepal and then continue to work. If they cannot, I will try to do it.
But now,
not me especially.
I don't need to wait to them more 2 months, 1 month, one way. If it's very late.
But so they can ask them for a penalty. They can ask them for interest, and then they will pay the money without interest. If someone is not paying the salary, and then you are going to labor court will ask him to pay you for every day interest and interest and interest on interest. The people are running to pay.
यो कुरा हामीले एकदमै जान्नु जरुरी छ। उहाँले भन्नुभयो कि अब मेरो उहाँको गर्लफ्रेन्ड जेलमा जानुभयो, जेलमाबाट उहाँको पिचिम नपाएको कारणले म अब जान्न, पिचिम पाएको छैन, जान्न भन्दै हुन्थ्यो, तर पनि इमिग्रेसनले फोर्सले पठायो। किन पठायो त भन्दाखेरि उनीहरूले पठाउन सक्छ, किनभने इलिगल भइसकेपछि उनीहरूले पोलाइट हुन्छ, इमिग्रेसनले राम्रो बिहेभ गर्छ, त्यस्तो केही डराउनु पनि पर्दैन। हामीहरू भोलिको दिनमा हामी पऱ्यौँ भने पनि पोलाइट हुन्छ, तर पनि हामी एउटा नियम लागेको कारणले उनीहरूले फोर्स गरेर हामीलाई पठाउन सक्छ। त्यही भएर उहाँ जानुभयो। र अर्को कुरा, उहाँको पैसा 5 वर्षको पिचिम पाउनुको लागि उहाँ नेपाल एमएसी इजरायली एमएसीमा गएर उहाँले लेटर पठाउनुपर्छ। र तपाईँले उहाँले भन्दै हुनुहुन्छ फोनबाट काब्लावेदमा कुरा गर्दाखेरि कुनै कुरा स्योर पाउनुहुन्न, त्यस कारणले तपाईँले खुद गएर इडी उहाँको म्यानेजरलाई भेटेर कुरा गर्नु होला। कुरा गर्दाखेरि तपाईँलाई सम्भव भएन, तपाईँलाई सहयोग भएन भनेदेखि उहाँले पनि एमी सरले पनि सहयोग गर्नुहुन्छ र हामीलाई कुनै सहयोग चाहियो हामीलाई पनि सम्झाउनु
केयरकिपरको लागि पिचिम र पेन्सन र बेताब र साना खोपेसको लागि चाहिँ यदि इन्पोलोले दिएन भने तुरुन्तै हामीले चाहिँ काब्लावेदमा गएर हामीले फाइल ओपन गर्नुपर्छ। फाइल ओपन गर्दाखेरि चाहिँ हामीले पैसा तिर्यौँ भने पनि र तिरिराख्यो भने र इन्पोलोले पछि पे गर्यो भने त्यो पैसा पनि फिर्ता आउँछ है, फेरि 300 रुपियाँ त्यो पैसा फिर्ता दिन्छ। तर के भन्छ भने काब्लावेदले त्यो डिटेल सबै सिग्नेचर गरेर राखेको हुन्छ। सिग्नेचर सबै डिटेल त्यहाँ फाइल त छ नि, नम्बर छ होइन, हामी पैसा पनि तिरेका छौँ। र यदि त्यो फाइल चाहिँ चालु भएन भने इन्पोलोले फेरि पैसा दियो भने त्यो पैसाले फेरि त्यो जुन फाइल क्लोज पनि हुन्छ र त्यो पैसा पनि फिर्ता आउँछ। किनभने हामीले भीमा लुइटेको केस हेरेको हो होइन, लुइटेको केस चाहिँ उहाँ 4 महिनासम्म जेलमा बस्नुभएको र 4 महिना के को केसले उहाँ निस्किनु भयो त 1 महिनाको चान्स दियो भने भन्दाखेरि चाहिँ उहाँले चाहिँ फाइल ओपन गर्नुभएको थियो इजेल के अरे काब्लावेदमा, र उहाँलाई इजेल भन्ने लोयर दिएको थियो। र लोयरले उहाँ चाहिँ 4 महिनासम्म जस्तो भने चाहिँ उहाँ चाहिँ आश्वासन दिइराखेको थियो कि लोयरले चाहिँ म जान्न, उहाँले चाहिँ के भन्दा मेरो पैसा 1 लाख सेकेल पाउनु छ, म जान्न भनेपछि चाहिँ हामीलाई पुस गरेर पठाउँदैन यदि काब्लावेदमा फाइल छ भने। र यदि काब्लावेदमा कुनै पनि केस छैन भने चाहिँ उनीहरूले त्यो इमिडिएट पठाउँछ। यो कुरो एकदमै हो। र अब अर्को कुरो भन्छ 1 महिनाको लागि निकाल्छ, हामीले साथमा हामीसँग टिकट पनि हुनुपर्छ। त्यो जुन हामीले टाइम सकिएको मान्छे जेल सकेपछि हामीले यहाँ तुरुन्तै हामीले लाँदाखेरि चाहिँ लोयरले हामीलाई निकाल्छ तर साथमा हामीलाई यो दिन नजानुपर्छ र टिकट भनेर उनीहरूले कोर्टबाट तोकेर दिन्छ। यसरी चाहिँ हामी निक्लिन सकिन्छ र उहाँले एमई सरले नै भन्नु भइरहेको छ अहिले यो जुन पार्लियामेन्ट टाइम्सबाट चाहिँ हामीले के अरे हाम्रो इजरायलको एम्बासीबाट पनि हामीले गर्न सकिन्छ भनेको छ। त्यो चाहिँ मलाई थोरै मात्रै आशा छ किनभने यहाँनिर केस भएको मान्छेले चाहिँ उताबाट पुस गर्न पाउँछ यो कुरो चाहिँ हो। Kalau saya nikmat, ya kan? Anakku, kema, kodes anakku muda leku anakku kisah.
כמה חודש שבעל הבית
nikmat, וגם nikmat lagi.
או מת, יש לו 60 יום שהוא יכול להישאר, הוא גם צריך ללכת למשרד הפנים. צריך ללכת למשרד הפנים ולהגיד להם, אני בעל הבית, ואני רוצה להישאר פה עד שנגמר 90 יום. צריך ללכת למשרד הפנים להגיד. אם לא, אז אחרי 60 יום,
यो कुरा हामीले एकदमै जान्नलाई जरुरी छ। हाम्रो इम्प्लोयर मरे हामी इलिगल भइसकेपछि इम्प्लोयर मरेपछि हामी कति बस्न पाउँछौँ र हामीले कति छिटै चाहिँ हामी काबलाबेदमा कम्प्लेन गर्न सक्छौँ यदि पैसा दिनु कति दिन वेट गर्ने भन्दाखेरि हामीले इम्प्लोयर मरेको 60 दिन कति दिन बस्ने छ हाम्रो कति दिनसम्म चाहिँ पैसा हामीले पुर्ने छ भन्दाखेरि हाम्रो 60 दिन बस्न पाइन्छ हामीहरू 60 2 महिना बस्न पाउँछ। त्यो 2 महिनाको बिचमा तपाईँलाई 1 हप्ता 2 हप्तासम्म मात्रै पुर्नु होला किनभने 2 हप्ताभन्दा बढी तपाईँलाई ओके ओछ बुवा भनेर तपाईँको इम्प्लोयर भन्छ भने तपाईँले त्यसलाई नपुरिकन गएर काबलाबेदमा कम्प्लेन लेखाउनु होला। त्यो एकदमै जरुरी छ।